My name's Matthew. I'm the Assistant Dive Safety Coordinator here at the Greater Cleveland Aquarium. And today we're actually in the touch pool cleaning. So we put 2 divers in the water. They get in there and they start out by cleaning all the acrylic. They wipe it all down. And then they sit there and take some scrub brushes and they scrub down all the rock surfaces to remove all the algae and any anemones or sponges that have grown on them. And also today, we periodically go through and sift out all the sand because these guys, one of their favorite things to eat is mussels. So we have to sit here and collect that periodically from time to time and pull it out of the exhibit. In about an hour and a half or so, this will be crystal clear again. So we actually have 3 types of stingrays in this exhibit. We have our cow nose. They kind of have a rounded 2 little bumps on their face. We have our southerns. They have a much more pointed face. And then a little guy who's just scooting around on the bottom. He's our Atlantic. So you might actually see us in here, but you also might see us in any of our other exhibits. We get into almost every single exhibit at least once a week. Some of our smaller or cold water exhibits we might only do once a month, but we are literally in every single diveable exhibit in this building year round.